Hi guys, today an outdoor unboxing. Got a bottle. I'll need to show you how this works. Here we've got some N95 face masks, which finally arrived from China. And this is one of those bottle cutter things you've probably seen on Kickstarter, something like 2 years ago. It was a huge craze. I believe it was one of our highest funded Kickstarter projects, and now the Chinese started copying it, so you can get it at a more reasonable price. Look. So let's see what's in the packages. So let's start off with the N95 masks. Product certificate, KN95 protective mask, production date 2020-04-22, term of validity 3 years, sealed. Funny thing is, there are some snow white and one is a little bit yellowish. It looks like it's been in some storage exposed to light and it faded away. Let's just try one out. Of course, you'll find the links for the products below. Real products actually received, not some virtual advertisement as in some other movies. Well, let's try it on. Ideal fit, so I can greatly recommend it. And now for the more interesting bit. As for a piece of wood, it's actually quite heavy. Adjustable cutting thickness. So for starters, let's try with a thicker strip so it'll be easier to operate. Of course, we need to prepare the bottle first. So let's see how this works. So it isn't that easy to start, especially if you haven't cut this evenly. Come on. So for now, we just got these small bits and pieces being cut off. I think maybe you need to use some scissors first to get this all nice and even. let's not give up. Uwijemy ząb. No, come on. The advertisements for the Kickstarter project look much easier. As you can see, we're just cutting strips like this for now, so it's not working as easily as it should be. Maybe now that I have evened this out a bit, it'll be easier. So I guess this isn't really as good as it was shown in those advertising movies. I don't think it's because it's Chinese. The Kickstarter one probably was also made in China, but design is exactly the same. I just think that those movies only showed the positive results, but in fact it's not as easy to use this as it was shown in the movies. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.